Hi everyone, this is Phil from It Gaming, and today I'm going to show you my guide to plant species R in ARK Genesis Part 2. Have you ever asked yourself, man, I wish I could make a tentacle meat garden? Well, unless you're listening to a sleep paralysis demon, the answer to that is probably no. But Wildcard apparently has been listening to their demons because they've decided that's exactly what we need in the form of plant species R, a new creature plant that's available in ARK Genesis Part 2. Plant species R allows you to harvest meat from it when it's grown to full size. It's available in 5 wonderful different flavors, including meat and fish meat and spoiled meat and prime meat and prime fish meat. Oh, God. In order to get plant species R seeds, you're going to need to go into the region called Rockwell's Innards. And the entrance to Rockwell's Innards is located here on the map. And it is this tunnel, and you're going to descend through the tunnel until you come to this horrible bio area. It's going to be really misty and extremely dangerous. What you're going to be looking for specifically when you're in the innards is you're going to be looking first off for an icon on the lower right of your screen. And there it is right there. It is that white icon, and it says that mutagen is present. Because when you're picking up plant species R, you're actually picking up mutagen as well, which are these sort of glowing white orbs. Now, when you pick up a mutagen cluster, all hell breaks loose, and you're going to be attacked by lots of horrible, horrible things. You'll get poisoned and debuffed by macrophages. Basically, it's just a bad time, so be ready for that. However, when you pick up one of these mutagens, you will pick up any one of 5 possible plant species R seeds. And if you've picked up all of the mutagen that's located in the innards, you will notice that there is no white icon. So as I said, there are 5 different seeds. There's plant species R1, which is just regular meat, R2, which is fish meat, R3, which is spoiled meat, R4, which is prime meat, and R5, which is prime fish meat. And you can tell all of this because you can see a little icon of the particular meat on the seed as well. In order to grow a plant species R seed, you will need a tech crop plot. None of the other plots will work. The tech crop plot is available at level 104 in the engrams. And I'll just go ahead and unlock it here. And of course, it will need to be crafted in the tech replicator. The tech replicator, I'll just go up to it now, and we'll go into the structures folder and then the farming folder, and it's the only thing in the farming folder, and there it is, the tech crop plot. You will need black pearls, crystal, element, metal ingots, polymer, and sand in order to craft it. So I'll simply turn on my tech replicator and craft a tech crop plot.
Use this high-tech crop plot to garden all over the ship. Seems like you could use one to raise harvestable plants just about anywhere.
Once you've made the tech crop plots, you will need to have them irrigated and fertilized as well, and you will also need to make sure that they are powered with a tech generator. Once you've done all of those things, simply take a plant species R seed and place it into the tech crop plot, and you will get a wonderful reward of plant species R.
If you can get past its tentacular looks, this mutant hybrid seems useful as a food source. You can grow it from seeds, but it provides edible meat. Another of Rockwell's genetic modification experiments, I guess.
Once they're fully grown, which happens very quickly, you can go up to them with a pick and harvest them as though they were a corpse. Because, of course, they're like a corpse. They do have a health bar which goes down as you harvest, and you can see here I'm harvesting raw meat from this plant species R1. I can go to any of the other ones and harvest what you would expect. So here I'm getting fish meat from the cyan R2s. The green R3 ones give us spoiled meat, which I guess has some value for making like narcotics and things like that. But here are the ones we really care about: the prime meat and the prime fish meat tentacles R4 and R5. It's also important to note that the damage of your pick will have an impact on how much you harvest and how much damage is done to the plant species R. So if I use an ascendant pick here, you can see it's doing a lot of damage, but it's also harvesting a lot of meat. You will notice the health bar of the plant species R, and if you do deplete the health bar, the plant species R will not actually be destroyed. It will simply turn into this sort of smaller state, and it will remain that way for 30 minutes. And you can see it says there, meat depleted replenishes in 30 minutes. So if you wait 30 minutes, you will see that the plant species R does revitalize itself and turn to its full size once again. If you only partially deplete a plant species R, you will still have to wait a full 30 minutes, just like this, for the bar to refill as it did just there. Finally, it's important to maintain the amount of fertilizer, irrigation, and power to the tech crop plots that have plant species R in them, because if any of those deplete, you will lose the plant that is in it. So that's pretty much it for plant species R. It's kind of a niche thing. I mean, it's kind of neat to have meat, but honestly, I think there's a lot of easier ways to get meat than using tech.
If you have any more tips about plant species R, tell us what they are in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please feel free to leave a like, comment, or subscribe to the channel. And as always, have fun out there! Dad, these creatures are weird.